As a single mom and dog mom from New York, I know firsthand how overwhelming clutter can be. Between juggling work, kids, and pets, it feels like there is never enough time to get things done. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to tackle it all at once. In this quick 5-minute video, I'm sharing 5 decluttering tips that are so easy and actionable. You can get started right away and feel more in control of your space. Let's jump into tip number 1. One of the best ways to get started when you're feeling overwhelmed is to simply toss 1 to 5 items a day. Sure, you're probably thinking,
Margo, I have so much stuff that merely tossing a few random items here and there every single day won't even put a dent into it.
and you are partially right. Partially in that when you're feeling like there is just so much to do, you also don't actually do anything. Starting with 1 to 5 items a day, while it's not a massive transformation, it will for sure help you get unstuck. And let's be real, 1 item a day is 365 items a year. 5 items a day is 1,825 items a year. I'm pretty certain that there are dozens, if not hundreds, of random items around your home that are easy decisions to toss. Next up, a fun little game called Beat the Clock. Decluttering doesn't have to be dreadful and boring. It can even be, dare I say, fun. Similar to the 1 to 5 items a day, there are so many hitchhikers around your home begging to be decluttered. The magazines sitting on your coffee table, old makeup, hair products, and those dried up highlighters. Set a timer for 5 minutes, grab a bag or a box, and run around your home finding items that are easy trash decisions. Typically, these items are on surfaces: the dining room table, the counter, the bathroom sink, shelves, and dressers. There are hidden items too, in case you want to take a quick peek in your pantry. Everything you collect should be easy to toss. If you hesitate, leave it. Don't bother wasting your time on it. Simply move on to something else. If you're enjoying my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Moving on to tip number 3. When I first began my decluttering journey, I found the sheer volume of stuff incredibly paralyzing. The key to overcoming this? Start small. Refrain from taking in the big picture. You will eventually be able to declutter your entire kitchen in the future. For now, let's narrow your focus a little bit. Instead, pick a single drawer or a small category of items. This can be where you keep your utensils, a small section of a dresser drawer, or even a few items of clothing hanging out on a pile on your bedroom floor. You'll be amazed how tackling this one small section can actually motivate you to do more. Cleaning out just one space can make a huge difference, and it's low overwhelm. Moving on to tip number 4, one of the biggest mistakes I see my clients make is to have zero game plan when working towards a clutter-free home. They experience decision fatigue, anxiety, and stress. Where do I start? What do I do next? That's why this next tip to keep overwhelm at bay is to invest a few minutes in creating a little to-do list for yourself. And when I say little, I mean it like should fit on a Post-it. Write down a few places you want to declutter. Again, the key here is not to focus on one large area, but maybe just a few places in a room. For example, let's say that you would love to see your kitchen be clutter-free, don't we all? You can write down the following places: kitchen drawer 1, kitchen drawer 2, cabinet shelf 1, cabinet shelf 2, the fridge, the freezer. Creating a little plan will eliminate decision fatigue, overwhelm, and keep you seeing progress. Looking for help decluttering your entire home? I host a free live Zoom workshop monthly where I teach you the art of creating a decluttering plan. And of course, how to get started without feeling overwhelmed. You can find more information in the description. This one is by far the most important, especially if you find yourself feeling stuck, overwhelmed, anxious in your space. Statistically, pairing up with an accountability partner increases your chances of successfully purging your home by 92%. I don't know about you, but I like those odds. This is why having a personal trainer is so effective. The person is on you to exercise and lose weight, build muscle, whatever. Find someone who might also be looking to declutter, or simply a friend or a family member who is open to supporting you on your journey. You can also hire me as a decluttering coach. The point is that we feel less stressed and less overwhelmed when we have somebody in our corner. Someone who we can let know, like, this is my game plan for this week. This is what I will be decluttering. And of course, someone who will hold us to our goal. Remember, decluttering doesn't actually have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay consistent, and most importantly, celebrate every single small victory. If you're someone who finds yourself holding on to items for sentimental reasons, and you want to release that emotional attachment to some of the things in your home, you can watch this video next. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to be good to yourself.